Hey, it's Greg here with Maritime Gardening, and I'm planting some lettuce today. It's August 1st or August 2nd, and this is kind of a follow-up video to a video I did a little while ago where I was sowing some lettuce seeds. This is lettuce here, like a kind of romaine, fantastic variety that I tried this year. I'll put the name up on the screen, highly recommend. So the reason I started the seeds this way, as opposed to just sticking them directly in the ground, is because it's so hot and so dry this time of year. It's very, very difficult to keep that sort of environment in an optimal state that promotes germination and growth of a seedling. Whereas when they're in a tight little situation like this, I mean, when I first planted them, the seeds, and watered them, I put this cardboard over top to keep the sun off, so I wouldn't have to, they wouldn't dry out in a day. And actually I only had to water them like every second or third day, and it's pretty hot and warm this summer. Once I noticed the seeds emerge, it took 5 days, believe it or not. Someone said it would take 2 or 3. It took 5 days. And once I saw them emerging, I took the cardboard off. Right, I could have put the cardboard underneath to hold water, I suppose. But, you know, you never know when it's going to rain. It's always good to optimize towards drainage. So this looks like a tray here, but I drilled all kinds of holes in it so it would drain. Right, you should always put more holes than they come with because things get plugged up. So you just take a drill, put a 1/4-inch bit, and just go to town. So now these are ready to plant. I could wait a little bit longer, but at this stage it's actually easier to manage them if they're in the ground because it's hard for them to get everything they need at this size in a tray. They can get it, but I got to do a lot of work. So I want this to be as easy on me as possible. So now I'm planting them. So I got a little patch of garden here, and I'm just spacing them out. I'm probably planting them a little too tight actually, because I'm basically putting them about 9 inches apart. I should probably spread them out a little bit more because once they're fully grown, they're, I'd say 14 to 16 inches in diameter, the full bouquet of it sort of thing. But I've got a lot of them. I should really have done the math and figured it out. So anyway, I'll work it out. But right now I'm just planting them in the ground, and I'll give it a really good water. Once they get a few inches higher, I'll use some probably grass clippings, as that's all I got to mulch. And hopefully by, September, I'll have some nice lettuce, and it'll be proper, getting cooler, right? So they'll be even less likely to bolt, so long as I can take care of them at this delicate stage of their development. Anyway, let me get these in the ground. Shouldn't take long. I'll just show you that process, and we'll pick it up from there. All right, so when you start them in these little containers from Sprout Box Garden, they're really easy to extract because they got those holes in the bottom, right? So even with a really, really small seedling like this, like normally you'd wait longer to plant a seedling because these can be fragile. Look at the root development. These are ready to go on the ground. And as long as I'm gentle, use a decent potting soil, it won't fall apart as you're handling it. All right, so I just stick it in there, roughly level with the soil. That's planted. All right, if you're interested in these, just check out the description box of my video. Use my coupon code, you get 10% off. I can't remember what the size, but if you have I'll put the number up. If you have a really big order, they'll give you free shipping, but it has to be considerably big. All right, now I'll just plant the rest of these. All right, so I'm not going to film. You guys know, not much of a video, just showing a guy planting transplants. We all know how that goes, but that's the general idea. I got the rest of these put in the ground. I got about 18, 20, 24 more of these to put in the ground, but you get the general idea, right? We'll get these in the ground, we'll water it. Once they get a few inches high, we'll mulch it, and we'll have some nice lettuce in September, October. All right, so just a little video following up on doing those outdoor transplants of lettuce in late July. That's when I started them. It's now first week of August, and I'm putting them in the ground. They're going to grow really quickly, perfect growing conditions in August, and hopefully they don't bolt and everything works out just right. There's always a risk, and we can have some nice lettuce in September. Hope you found this video interesting. If you did, please like, share, subscribe. Check out my podcast at maritimegardening.com. Check out my articles at maritimegardening.substack.com. Please subscribe to this channel, but also please subscribe to my new podcast channel where all my podcasts are going. Maritime Gardening Podcast is the link to it in the description box of this video. Otherwise, until next time, get out there, get at it, have fun in your garden. Thanks for watching.